This is the elevator to the Delta Sky Club in Airside E at Tampa International Airport. And it's a Schindler from 2002. Oh, just re-leveled. It's a pretty nice elevator for a lounge. Here are the buttons, but the problem is I don't see a phone in here. 4,000 pounds? But here's the directory. Let's take it up to 3 and listen to the motor. Nice motor. Let's get back down to 2. And you know the deal with the door close buttons on Schindlers. They just won't work. And here we are, and are leveled properly this time. There's out into the chart room. And there it goes as fast as it came. And that'll be it.